of change in their communities. By actively involving youth in decision-making processes, we ensure that their perspectives and concerns are heard and be considered in shaping policies and initiatives. Empowering the youth will lead to the leaders of our future generations. We are the youth, and we believe that we are the future of your tomorrow. Again, I am John Hanson Ragondon, and I stand for my advocacy.